The CFA Access Scholarship could save you over $1,000 in exam fees. So let's talk about it. Hi guys, and welcome back to Wall Street Notes. So in short, the CFA Access Scholarship is a real game changer because it brings registration fees down to zero and cuts enrollment fees to around $300 US. The difference is unbelievable. So if the full exam fees seem daunting, the scholarship is worth applying to. Mark your calendars for September 20th when applications open. You'll be able to apply directly on the CFA Institute website, which is linked in the description. In the meantime, be sure to check out Wall Street Notes Level 1 videos and master the material you need to ace the Level 1 exam. Thank you so much for tuning in. We can't wait to see you again, and please feel free to subscribe for more.